Hey guys, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and in this video I wanted to give you another tip how to boost sales during the COVID-19 pandemonium. This is a tip that I noticed from one of my previous clients, and they are selling party supplies. And what they do, they offer 20% off all of their online sales to Food Bank in New York City. So this is obviously where they are located. So this is a really, really smart tip to help you support your local charities, your local organizations, and show that you are um, not only sort of gathering the profits from the online sales to yourself, but showing that the online sales are making a difference and that anyone that is ordering from you can make a difference as well. So 20% is quite a substantial amount. So this is really, really fantastic and can help you get this competitive advantage over other stores that don't donate, that don't try to make a difference, don't try to contribute in these difficult times. So those kind of small steps can also count toward your overall revenue during COVID-19 without really trying to be too sleazy and trying to profit during this period. So I hope you found these tips useful. If you did, please click like underneath this video. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more SEO and e-commerce tips. Thank you so much. Bye bye.